How to replace the blade in your DBTek fiber cleaver. Start by unlocking and opening the cleaver. Take the small screwdriver provided in your cleaver kit and begin by loosening the 2 screws that hold the blade assembly and fiber bin in place. In this position, it will be much easier to access the screws that need to be removed. Once removed screws, separate the components. Next, take the second screwdriver and carefully unscrew the blade. Important: do not touch the blade with your fingers, it is extremely sharp. Use a pair of tweezers to safely lift the blade and place it into position. Secure the new blade by tightening the screw. The blade has 16 positions, each offering 3 height levels. Reassemble the cleaver by aligning the fiber bin with the base unit. Make sure all parts fit properly before reattaching the screws. The blade in your DBTek fiber cleaver should be replaced after approximately 60,000 fiber cleaves to maintain optimal performance. Once everything is back in place, perform a test cleave and splicing to ensure the cleaver is working correctly. Discover practical tips and instructions in our full video series. Our team is here to support you. Contact us anytime.